everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problems, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then in this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make or give you a lot of errors in your app. Here we go to click on Play Store. If you will find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app of Twitter as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next